Hey everybody, Wayne here with Faith and Fitness Plus. Today's video is about a close call I had this weekend. Had to go to the ER. I'm in great shape. I woke up Wednesday morning and I couldn't even stand up without holding on to something. Got to the ER. They did a bunch of tests, CT scan, blood test, a rectal exam. Found out I wasn't bleeding anywhere, but I was anemic, severely anemic. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a video on a iron-rich smoothie and telling you what each of the ingredients are for. All right, I've already put my ice in the blender. Now I'm going to add one banana. This has vitamin B6, and it's going to help with sweetness and also with absorption of the iron. All right, second ingredient is I'm going to use watermelon. You can use strawberries or mango to give it that vitamin C boost, and it'll help with absorption of the iron. It's going to be ground up flaxseed. This is for fiber and gentle protein. I have to do ground because I also have diverticulitis in my intestines and I can't have seeds. Half a cup of orange juice, vitamin C, and absorption of the iron. Next is a tablespoon of almond butter to make it gentle on your stomach. Because iron, believe me, I have a sensitive stomach, and iron, this is your iron. This is 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. This is a good iron source. All right, the last 2 ingredients, a cup of protein powder for your protein source, and just a sprinkle of cinnamon for taste. I've already got my ice in there.
Okay, hold on.
Now I'm blend well. Blend well. Now, that's a lot of different ingredients, so this is the first time I've ever tried it. The banana and the orange juice is what comes through for me. It tastes really good though. And now that I know that I have this anemia problem, I'm already on taking an iron supplement. This here will just be something else that I do. You can also add microgreens to this to make it even more potent. Stay blessed, stay strong, stay fit.